In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get this Kanto Pokédex layout for your iPhone. Let's get into it. What's going on? I want to be fresh, and if you don't know me by now, I make custom iOS home screen layouts for your iPhone. So if you ever want to check out other videos, you can go check those out now. I got a few out already, and I have a lot more planned to come out soon. But to quickly go over this one, this is a simple Pokédex layout that I've created. Right now we have Bulbasaur showing in the screen, but we can swipe down and we can see we got Squirtle, and we also got Charmander. Only have those three for now, but if you guys want me to add more, just let me know in the description. And down here we got the buttons from the Pokédex, and behind this widget I just have my batteries widget as well. I like to keep it really simple, my iPhone, so this is the only screen I have. Then here I just have my apps, my app libraries. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this really quick and easy. First things first, I'm going to start from a fresh screen, so I'm going to undo everything and then I'll be right back in a second. Now that we got a blank screen, we can get started. So first thing first, you want to head over to my website. The link should be in the description below. But I created this website to make everything a lot simpler and a lot easier for you. And the purpose of the website is to get you guys in and out as soon as possible, basically. So here we have a website. You can scroll down. We have Dragon Ball layouts and we have Pokemon layouts right now. So right here we're gonna do view layouts. As you see, the very first one, we got the Kanto Pokédex one. So here you want to go ahead and hit see details. All right, when you see this screen, you want to scroll down, and these are the images we're going to be downloading. So first one's first, we're going to start with the wallpaper. So we're going to hit this find your size. So right now I am on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm going to go down and choose that one, iPhone 12 Pro Max, click it. And it's going to download a zip file to my files folder. So I'm going to hit download. As you see it downloaded here, I'm going to hit downloads and we have it here. But right now I'm going to hold off for now and download the rest. So I'm going to go back. Here I'm going to click this app icon images to hit this download button right here. And that should download to the files folder. Now we have that. And here we have the widgets. We have the 3 widgets in this one. And we also have in the medium widget that we had underneath this widget. So I'm going to go ahead and hit download and then download those. So we go ahead and click that, and we're going to go hit this downloads button right here. All right, so these are our files. So I'm going to go ahead and click one of them. And these are the 3 zip folders that we just downloaded. So I'm going to unzip those by just clicking on them. And last one is the wallpaper. So now we want to go ahead and save these photos to our camera roll. So we're going to click on this image, and then I'm going to hit this button in the bottom corner and hit save image. All right, that should be saved. I'm going to hit this wallpaper also. Hit this button down here, save image. And then lastly, I'm going to go into this folder, and these are our widgets. So I'm going to go ahead and save these as well. So we can open up our photos library and make sure our photos are there, make sure they look good. And they in fact do. So we can finally get started. So now first thing we could do, we can set up our wallpaper. So we can click on the wallpaper image and then click this button in the bottom left corner. And then scroll down and hit use as wallpaper. Here, we're going to keep it as is, but I'm going to go up and hit done. It's going to ask you if you want to set it as a wallpaper pair. We don't want to do that. When you use customize home screen, so click that. And then in this bottom, we're going to hit this blur, turn the blur off so that our wallpaper looks normal. So we're going to hit done. And we're going to check it out, make sure it looks right. It looks really good to me. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go over to Widgetsmith. If you don't have Widgetsmith, go ahead and download that from the App Store. It's free. So I'm gonna go ahead and search Widgetsmith. And here I got the widgets already set up, but I could go ahead and set it up again. So for the large widgets, we got to set up 3 different widgets for those. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit add large widget. And then here we're gonna go over to photo, and then we're gonna choose from photos. All right, so I have the Squirtle one here. So I'm gonna hit the save. And it should be set automatically to fit the large widget perfectly. So right now I have it at the large 4. You wanna go ahead and do the rest for the other 2. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do this medium one. Here we're gonna hit add medium widget. And then we're gonna go to that photo. This one right here should fit perfectly. So we're gonna hit save. And then we save that. Now that we have that, we can go ahead and go back to our home screen. So we're gonna go back. And here we're gonna long hold and press on the screen, hit this plus sign in the top corner. And here I'm gonna search Widgetsmith. And the widget we're gonna add 1 large widget. And then we go ahead and add the medium widget. All right, I'm going to go ahead and position these as shown. And then you're going to go ahead and add 2 more large widgets for the other Pokemon, and then we're going to stack them on top of this one. The last thing we need to do, we're going to go ahead and add the Pokeball icons to the bottom of the screen. We're going to go over and head over to shortcuts, and in shortcuts I already have some set up already, so I'm simply just going to use these to create my shortcuts. So if you already have some shortcuts made, you go ahead and click these 3 dots in the corner, and then at the top you want to hit this little drop down arrow, and then you want to hit add to home screen. And then when you go there, this will pop up, so you want to hit this icon right here and hit choose photo. Here's that image, so we're gonna hit choose and then hit add. All right, so add to the home screen. So I'm gonna add that 3 more times, and then I'll be right back. All right, now that you have those 4 icons, I just use the same music shortcut for all 4, just to save some time. Here, I'm just gonna go ahead and just drag these to the bottom of the screen. After you hit done, you should be all set. You should be good to go. Now you have this Kanto Pokédex layout for your iPhone. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I've been rocking this layout for the past 2 weeks. I don't see myself changing it at all. I love this layout because it brings back memories when I was a kid. When I played my very first Pokemon game, Pokemon, the blue version. And even though I had blue, I always chose Charmander as my very first Pokemon. And I'm pretty sure everybody else did too. And if you didn't, let me know why you did not. I mean, I feel like Charmander was like the staple of Pokemon. Well, besides Pikachu, like Charmander was like an easy second place. Let me know if you chose a different Pokemon, or let me know any other videos you'd like me to do, and I'll check those out. Until next time, peace.